In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add opening balances in Xero, and it'll only take you about 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. The first step you need to take is logging into Xero accounting software. It's simple really, you begin by navigating to the Xero login page. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in, click on it to move to the next step. Now you need to enter your credentials, type in your email and password to gain access to your Xero account. Once you've entered those details, simply hit the login button. This will lead you directly to your dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll have a clear view of the tools at your disposal. Now it's time to navigate to the section we need. Look for the accounting tab in the dashboard menu and click on it. This will display a drop-down menu with several options. From here, you'll want to select Advanced. Clicking on the Advanced option will take you to where we need to be for setting conversion balances. In the Advanced section, seek out conversion balances. Clicking on this option will open up the settings you need. You'll be greeted with a screen that displays conversion dates. Click on conversion date to enter and set up your opening balances. Once there, you need to carefully enter the balances into the specified debit and credit accounts. Pay close attention to these figures as accuracy is crucial for maintaining the correct financial records in your Xero account. If you happen to have multiple accounts, it might be beneficial to click on Show All Accounts. This will display each account clearly, allowing you to enter balances more conveniently without missing any critical information. After you've gone through all your accounts and ensured that each balance is entered correctly, it's time to finalize your setup. Double check that each entry matches your statements or initial balance records. Once you're satisfied with the input, look for the Save button. Clicking on Save will ensure all your changes are safely recorded within Xero. This action concludes the setup of your opening balances. And there you have it, you've successfully added your opening balances in Xero, streamlining your accounting processes and setting the stage for precise financial tracking. Remember, accuracy is key, so take your time with each step to ensure everything aligns. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to handle your opening balances in Xero swiftly and efficiently.